Experience the power of a 2.8 trillion parameter AI model directly in your browser with zero local GPU requirements. To get started, simply navigate to kimi.com in your web browser. This platform is entirely open source and free to use. Next, authenticate your account by clicking Login in the top navigation menu. Once submitted, you will receive immediate access to the Kimi K3 Max model. Verify your system capabilities by selecting Kimi K3 Max in the model selector. Ensure the 1 million token context window is active, allowing for the analysis of entire documents. Before you begin, test your latency by entering a basic reading in the input box and clicking Send. This helps verify your connection speed. Observe the generation stream to confirm that the model is processing your request efficiently, even with its massive scale. To unlock advanced features like long horizon reasoning and massive search capabilities, find the K3 Swarm Max setting and toggle it on. Execute a complex task by entering a detailed historical prompt, like asking for a summary of FIFA World Cup since 1930, and hitting Send. You can now track the search execution as the model displays its thinking status and the number of sources being aggregated in real time. Swarm processing is designed to handle massive queries by breaking them into parallel batches, allowing it to bypass standard memory limitations. Review the long horizon reasoning by checking the generated plan in the dropdown, ensuring the AI's logical approach to your request. Check the Sources Analyzed tab to see the dozens of external web pages the model has parsed to build your comprehensive summary. Finally, review the synthesized output to verify that over 90 years of history have been mapped into a cohesive, accurate timeline. Confirm that your local hardware usage remains minimal. By opening your system monitor, you can verify zero GPU power is being utilized for this process. Enterprise-grade AI, zero cost and zero hardware required. Start your agentic workflows today at kimi.com.